So here in front of me, I've got a package from Mini Station, also known for Timemicro. A diecast product in a 1/64 scale. Let's have a look at the box first. So here we can see it, 1/64 scale Mini Station. This is the logo. Here we have some information. Here we have the barcode and article number, and we can see the product that is inside. And here's some more text. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Still in the plastic. Already did a review about the same model. A model that looks like this, also from Mini Station, but different livery. But back then I thought that is a pretty cool set. I'm definitely going to order another one because I knew there were coming different variations. I think I have to push it out, yes, just like the last time. Okay, so here it is, trailer, VW custom van, and the Porsche RWB, all packed in display package. Trailer. Okay, first I'm going to show you the VW custom. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. VW Type 1 limited edition, 184 out of 499. That's pretty limited. And it's in a Ken block livery. I thought that is kind of cool. Yeah, you can see side mirrors on both sides, lanced headlights. Nice golden rims. I'm not a big fan of those custom vehicles, but this one looks very cool in my opinion. Got a license plate, VW T1 pickup, lens rear lights, and a tow bar, of course. Number 43 on top, Monster Energy. Is it a licensed product? No, definitely not. Okay, let's have a look inside. Nice steering wheel. Just a black dashboard. Good looking sport seats. And we see windscreen wipers. Not mounted on the glass. Okay, do I have two for the screws? Because we want to know if it has a metal base, yes or no. Yes, it does. And when we look at that, we can see the Timemicro logo. Wheels are rolling very well. Little bit wobbling. Wobble, 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 wobble. Okay, let's place that one right here. And then we're going to the Porsche. To be honest, Porsches from Timemicro never disappoint me. So here we got the box. Excuse me. Very nice. Look at that. Brake disc, red brake claw. Beautiful, those green lines around the front lights. Porsche logo. Yeah, the windscreen wiper here is a little bit in a weird position. Can't push it back, but I think they glued it on. I have to be careful with that. Otherwise it falls off. It doesn't bother me that much. Heating in the back window, I like that. Hoonigan on the spoiler. Feels like a metal spoiler, but it can also be hard plastic. And here we got the rear. Also, Hoonigan, do I say that right? Hoonigan on the license plate. Silver exhaust tips, lanced rear light. Good interior, nice steering wheel, no painted details. Okay, it's a little bit difficult to see, but let's use another light. I want to show you the seats inside. Well, this is also a way. Nice bucket seat and a roll cage. Yeah, that looks perfect. Okay, now let's take it off the base. Yeah, nice metal base. And we can see the Timemicro logo again. Rolling wheels, not super good, but they are rolling. Okay, I'm going to place that one right here. Did I show you limited, also 500 pieces, 219? Would be cool if it also was 184. Yes. Okay, and the last one to complete the set, the trailer. Let's open it up. Look. Now I hear you thinking that looks a lot like the Mini GT trailer, and I agree. It does look a lot like the Mini GT trailer. These come out of the back. I like that. I think this is plastic right here. Yeah, I think it's made out of plastic. Yeah, good rolling wheels. You can put some accessories here if you like. Maybe some tires there. Hoonigan logo in front. Okay, now let's make this set complete. Put it here in the garage. So we can make a nice thumbnail for the video. And there it is. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and have a very nice day. I'll see you soon. Bye.